Good morning, boys, and check it out. Honey Hill's looking scrumptious again. Power cord. I think I got some more wire down there, more wire down there. These guys. The honey hole that keeps giving, right? It's a massive pallet. Just wire. Wire. I don't have a box again. Great. Let's see what this is. Quick. Oh man, that's a pallet, boys. Holy crap. Sheesh. Yeah, I was just driving by. Thought this place was kind of dried up. But I was just kind of driving by, so like, let me see what's going on. Oh, there's some more down here. This place is giving up tons. Yeah, that pallet fell. That'll be fun getting back up. Let's see. I need a box. These are all broken down. Heavy pallet too. Nice. Nice. See what this is. I think it's a neoprene or neoprene. Is it neoprene? An aluminum wire. Oh man, there's a lot. Holy buckets. Oh. Lights going out. So I'm just gonna grab this stuff. Oh yeah, neoprene. So I'm gonna grab this neoprene stuff and the wire for sure. Wow, how much is in there? Whew. This stuff isn't like awesome, but if you got a bunch of it, can't complain. Heavy, actually. Pallet's gonna be fun to get back. Metal. All aluminum. That's solid. Heavy. I don't know how much each one weighs, but anyway, 500 subscribers we hit. That last like 30 was taking a while. I wasn't kicking out videos. It's been pretty cold here, so I was just kind of taking a little break. It's heavy steel. Nice. I just do the videos for fun, I guess. I don't know which one I call it. But I like doing them, but it's more fun when it's actually decent weather. So and it definitely hasn't been decent weather, so yeah, there's some more up here. Hopefully you can see all right. awesome GoPro light. Never wants to work right. Apologize. And the pallet's gonna be a pain too. Baby wires. These are not, they're not, I'm pretty sure they're just steel or shred. But I don't. Not too bad stuff though. Yeah, we got more. Another pellet. Alrighty, what do we got? We got wire. So it's just kind of like data cable. All this white stuff. Data. What's this? This would be I think that's close to data. They might give me junk wire for that. Never mind. Quite a bit. Neoprene wire. I don't know what they do with this stuff. Is that put in the comments below if you want. Neoprene? I don't know what they do with it. Put it for Encore wire. I don't know what that is for. I haven't found this much in a spot. That's pretty good. Let's see. Oop. I'll come back and go through the metal. I'll come back and get this metal later. Because I'll have to dig for it a little bit. And I'm going to go charge the light. Make sure I get that wire. For the wire. Now I gotta get this pallet up. Let's see, I'm gonna get that stuff in the car first. And then I'll grab that pallet. That's not bad. Not bad. Not too bad at all. Anyway, so yeah, 5,000 subscribers, or 5,000, Not 5,000, 500 subscribers we hit. So that's pretty sweet. But I know you gotta post, like, especially when you're newer. You don't post videos every day. The views slow down dramatically for YouTube. Plus, some of my last videos have been pretty short due to weather and schedule and lack of spots. Actually, not lack of spots, but I just haven't filmed everything. I've still been out, but whatever, no excuse. It is what it is. Right now it's a hobby. That I do enjoy. See if these are aluminum. I'm pretty sure they are steel. Really? The only part that's magnetic is that. Huh, these are actually aluminum. Wow. That's nice. Hope it's all aluminum. Well, la-di-da, boys. These are all aluminum. Score to the score, baby. I wasn't expecting that. So we got aluminum, and copper. And there's a little bit of steel in there, so. My goal is to get like one decent video out a day. That's what I want. So once you see that happening, and we'll be on the right steppy step. Oh, this is so maybe tomorrow I'll bring this into the scrapyard before I go to work. Maybe just a neoprene. I'm not sure what this is actually worth per pound. I did bring it in one time before. I don't think it was great, but I don't think I was too disappointed in the price. I'll have to... Either way, I'm not stripping it. Because even though it doesn't look real thick, that takes time, man. It's a lot of work. And that's actually a good amount of weight. So I will be going to the scrapyard tomorrow morning. So I'll try to make a video on that one. I can definitely do it. I'll definitely do it. Or one coming up or something. That's actually really not bad at all. I haven't been over here for probably 5 days maybe. Because it's definitely dried up over here. But there's more steel in there. I don't know, you guys want to watch me struggle getting this pallet on? Yeah, boy! Since everything else has been aluminum, can you be aluminum or steel? No, it's steel. How about stainless? That'd be way too nice, right? Let's go see if I can get this pallet. It's gonna be a problem, I guarantee it. Pallet is heavy. Hopefully you guys can see. Be nice to these guys. Maybe they'll not throw big old pellets on there. Alright, let's see what I can do here. Sheesh. That is about 10 feet. I'm gonna go to the end. Yeah, boys. I'll go up there and pull it. That wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. I think that broke off it. Gotta be nice to these guys. They gave me a lot of money, right? Always be careful scrapping, guys. I'm kind of a wild man. Hey, good job, Dan. Anyway, I'll be back to clean up the scraps if I missed it. I know there's a little bit of steel, but whew. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this video up and appreciate it. Peace.